jams are replaced by the dance jams, and the only honking you hear is the sound of cheerful horns in the parade. Yes, it's the Chandigarh Carnival. So, hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a tour of the Chandigarh Carnival. So let's go without wasting any time. Come on! You can see this is such a beautiful entrance and it's so enormous and gorgeous. I mean, they must have worked pretty hard. And remember, the Chandigarh Carnival is not just an event, it's an experience. So let's go further without wasting any time. Come on! As you can see, there's some figurines over here and they're all made up of recycled material. As you can see, this one is made up of an old shirt, and recycled materials are these tennis balls and these some balls which I do not know, but they must be nuts. And they have used so much creativity to create the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and look at specifically the dress. And it all reminds us of the old time. So this is a very good art, especially for the sake of old times. So let's move on to other fun activities and see what else we can explore over here. Come on. So guys, as you can see, currently I am at the waterfall, and as you can see, it's pretty enormous and gorgeous. As they can say, fountains can be very inspiring. They can motivate you as they always stay constant, they never fail, like it's always going up. So fountains can be very inspiring. Now let's move on to some more fun activities. Come on. So guys, as you can see, there's even a very large food court over here. You can enjoy varieties of food such as Momo's Point. At Momo's Point you can enjoy veg chowmin, Manchurian, fried rice, spring roll, chili, pasta, and there are also some Maharashtra foods and some Kullar chai. So guys, as you can see, I'm in front of this fun activity and I'm going to try all of these activities or as much as I can to see how many points I can gain. So let's go. तो भैया इसमें स्कोर कैसे करते हैं?
इसमें ये 50 रुपीज़ के 3 राउंड्स हैं. तो जैसे एक्स में विन हो जाते हैं बिल्कुल सेंटर पे, तो हमारे कैन बिल्कुल फ्री है. जैसे ये एक्स में सेंटर में आ जाता है तो आपको एक कैन फ्री मिलेगा.
So as you can see, there are also many fun rides over here such as merry-go-round and other. So it's not just an area for food, snacks or anything else. It's also an area for enjoyment. So be special to bring your kids along and make them enjoy all of these rides. So as you guys can see, we are in front of a haunted house and it's a very scary adventure for all of us. So if you have the guts to come here, make sure to enter this Bhoot Bagla. As we are going to enter, so we are going to show you the inside scenes. So let's enter this Bhoot Bagla without any waste of time. Come on. So guys, as you can see, there are also many types of stalls over here and lots of products over here. So you can come here and buy some things and then go home.